Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is flyer design. So let's start how to design a flyer. Now I will choose my thumbnails. Then I will go to the main design. So let's start. First of all, I will I will join log this in one slide. Then I have to horizontal this. Horizontal this. Yeah, I think it's not perfect. So yeah, I think it's perfect. So I will make it. I think this is perfect. So I will I will delete this and make it one side. Then I will copy it with the Alt key, with the Alt key. I think this is good. So now I will horizontally. Yeah, I think this is perfect. This is perfect, and I will change its color and its color. This is color. So what will be the color of fish? Now I will take it red color. Pure, sorry, copy this. This is pure red, and then I will make it one side. Then I will change this color. What is pure red? You can see I set up code here. So okay, then this is perfect. Now I will change this color. So I have to copy red color code and paste here. Then okay, got my, and I will change this color also. Uh, Sorry, I have to change this the red, pure red. There you can see perfect. So I will change here flyer design. This is good. I think this is perfect. Flyer design. Okay, now I will save it. Save it down, and then I will export it as and replace it. Okay, then I will go to the new file. I will take for the flyer. I have to take this, create this. First of all, I have to take a picture. For the picture, I have to click the place and take a picture from here. Yes, I got the picture. You can see I, I fix the picture here. Now I have to lock it down. Then my work will start. Okay. Okay. It's nice. Now I will change its color with ash. How it look like? It look very good. Then you have to make something. So first of all, I will lock it down here. Lock it down here. Then I will work here more. So flyer design, you have to you can answer something new. So I will, yeah, I have to lock it down. Every time you have to lock it down, then you can make something new. So you have to write here many things. So first of all, I will change their logo design. Okay, sorry. I will DSIG design heart. My company name. Then I think this is perfect. Then you have to write here something. You have to write many things here. Sorry. First of all, I have to make it 14. Then I will show you. I'll make it center. Then right here. Then you can see how it look like. I think it's look very good. It's look pretty good to see. Make it white. Make it white. How it look like? I think it look very good to see. And this is the way to a design of the flyer. You can also make it as manner design. So start here now and do design something new. And this is the end of today's class. I will show you more things on the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.